Welcome to Makeover Mondays, made easy by Easy Pro. Back with us today is General Manager Jeff Rogers to explain the key signs to look for when it's time for that bathroom remodel. Jeff, thank you for being back here.
Thanks for having me back.
Well, let's talk. Okay. A homeowner should really know when it's time. They might be debating, should I go for the full remodel? Why should they look to Easy Pro, and when should they know it's the right time?
Sure. So there are certain red flags that when you see these, you know it may be time for a remodel. So cracked tiles, cracked moldy grout, a cracked shower pan, floor, or walls. Those are all indications that there may be some really big issues going on and it's time to have a remodel looked at.
Because it's not aesthetically pleasing, but there are underlying issues as well.
That's right. So lots of times that, small mold or mildew on the surface is hiding a much bigger problem underneath. So typically that means water is getting behind your tile, and we have torn out so many bathrooms where we starts with that small, mold or mildew, we get it torn out, and there are major issues underneath with the subfloor, with the drywall, even with the floor joists at times.
So if they see that hint of mold or mildew, it's time.
It's time to do something. It's time to get it looked at, for sure.
There's something going on there. Does that typically occur only in older homes? Should everyone be kind of concerned?
You would think so, but unfortunately, no. We see this in newer homes and sometimes in showers that are beautiful tile showers. And the problem is, that tile is an inferior product that's normally only comes with a 90-day or a 1-year warranty, as opposed to Easy Pro Express acrylic. Our bathrooms come with a lifetime warranty, so you never have to worry about your bathroom again.
You can't beat that. Lifetime warranty with that amazing acrylic. So how can you help? How can Easy Pro Express just jump in that home and make it all happen?
Sure. Well, we try to keep it easy. So you give us a call. We come to your house. We'll bring products. We'll take measurements, talk about your project. We can give you a price that's down to the penny, that's good for 1 year. So when you're ready to move forward, you know what's going to cost. And for your viewers today, we're offering $1,000 off their tub shower project. So give us a call or go to easyproexpress.com. We'll be happy to come out and look at your project.
A great discount right off the bat. Incredible.
That's right. We keep it easy.
Thank you for all you do. You keep it easy, exactly. Easy Pro Express. Thank you so much, Jeff.
Thanks for having me. Appreciate it.